Hi, congratulations on your decision to learn more about how you can potentially make money with Herbalife Nutrition. If you just watched our Herbalife intro clip, then we've already met. And if not, my name's Jake, and I'm so grateful to be able to share with you the multiple areas of income that you can potentially earn with Herbalife Nutrition. And so let's talk about what you do as a distributor. So to grow your business, we find customers. These are people that want to look better and feel better. We also find preferred members. These are really customers with a discount. And we also find independent distributors and supervisors. These are people that want to help people and make money. So let's go through the potential areas of income that you can have access to with Herbalife Nutrition. First up is retail profits. And we'll go through a hypothetical example. Let's say you make a $200 sale on the earn base to a customer. In the beginning, as a distributor, you're at a 25% profit level. So when you make that $200 sale, you can profit $50. And you have the opportunity to work your way to a 50% profit level. So now you make the same $200 sale, you're gonna profit $100 from the sale to that customer. And obviously, you want more than one customer. So let's say in this example, you have 10 customers. At that 25% profit level, you're gonna profit more than $500. And 10 customers at that 50% level, you're looking at $1,000 in retail profits. So maybe you're wondering, well, where do I find these customers? Well, you'll actually get to work with the company and your coach to learn the different daily activities that you can fit into your lifestyle. And you'll probably pick 2 or 3 methods based on your goals. One of the ways we get new customers is by posting on social media and then having conversations that lead to new customers. We also do invitations and flyers and ads, and we do these really fun shake parties and spa events in the community. We also do business in-services where we sample the products at local businesses. And if you want to, you can talk to people that you know and care about. I was actually able to help my little brother lose weight on the products. And I actually met my wife by inviting her in for a shake and a tea. And like every business, we do grand openings. This is a great way to get the word out about your new business in the community. And maybe you love to work out. We even do fitness camps. This is a fun way to invite people to work out and then introduce them to the Herbalife Nutrition products. The next area of potential income that you can earn with Herbalife Nutrition is wholesale profits. And this is really cool because these are people that order directly from the company and you then can get a check from Herbalife Nutrition. So in this hypothetical example, again, you're a supervisor at 50% and you can earn up to 25% profit from your new and existing preferred members and up to 25% profit from your new and existing distributors. So we'll use that same example. Let's say you have an order of $200 on the earn base. Maybe you have 10 preferred members that each order $200 in products. You can now receive a wholesale check for $500 profit. And you have 10 distributors that each sell one $200 program. Your wholesale check from their sales is another $500 profit. So that's $1,000 in wholesale checks from the company. All right, so we've talked about retail profits, and we've talked about wholesale profits. So now let's talk about the third potential area of income that you can have access to with Herbalife Nutrition, royalties. And we'll use the same hypothetical example. You're a supervisor at 50%. And as you're sponsoring other distributors, some of them are going to want to get to 50% as well. Not all of them will. It's going to take hard work and dedication and skill, but over time, it may be your goal to build a team of supervisors. Access to a 5% royalty check for up to 3 levels of your team of supervisors. And so in this one example, your team of supervisors in your first 3 levels does a combined $20,000 in documented volume of sales, and you will earn a royalty override check of $1,000. In order to earn royalties, you need to build a team of supervisors under you. And to find your key people who do the work, you may need to sponsor 10, 20, or 30. And again, it takes time and consistent work and skill and dedication. But over time, some people may create access to the fourth stream of potential income with Herbalife, which is a production bonus. And as you reach higher levels in the sales and marketing plan, you become eligible to earn a monthly bonus from 2 to up to 7% on your entire organization. And again, royalties and bonuses are received by those at the higher levels of the sales and marketing plan and are not typical. If you're interested in learning about typical earnings, you can see the SAGC at herbalifenutrition.com/SAGC. Now let's talk about your ultimate goals. Maybe you want to make retail profits. Maybe you're interested in wholesale profits, or maybe you have some bigger goals of a royalty income and a production bonus. Maybe potentially you're interested in earning all of those areas of income. So now let's talk about your potential starting options. Maybe right now your goal is to look better and feel better, and you want to get started on the products as a customer. Or maybe you're interested in getting started as a distributor to earn some extra income. To get started as a distributor, it's $94.10 plus tax, shipping, and handling, and you're going to now have access to a ton of training materials and tools and a shopping website for your customers. So it's clear, we have great products and a great earnings opportunity. And honestly, I love this company. I love being able to help people with their product results, being able to help people with their earnings opportunity and develop their confidence. And I'm so excited for you to start your journey. So get back with your coach and welcome to Herbalife Nutrition.